Now at first we need to import the wellhead data. Now we need to check the wellhead data is here. The data training data wellhead. Yeah, we hit. And in this file, the first Chrome is name. Second is surface X. Third is surface Y. And fourth is KB and TG in the real symbol. And this name, okay, now yeah, and first we need to check. Change to home and insert folder. We need to insert new view folder. New view folder. Now here is new view. But the VIOS folder is empty now. And VIOS, right-click and import. Select import. Now we need to change the file tab. File tab, we need to change to view head. File tab, we need to change to view head.
And we need to find out our data.
Find the data. Data is training data. Here is the same, I think. Here is the same, or training data. Train data, where hat. Now you need to select the will hit file. Okay, now just open. Now, in this interface, we need change match. Match each column. The first column is name, second column is surface X. So we need to select surface X. The third is surface 1. We need to change to surface 1. The first is KB. We need to change to real data value. And the first is TD. TD is total depth, TDMD. And the last kernel is symbol. We need select the view symbol and 7789. And click the 7 Chrome and press the Shift. And select multiple clones and delete these useless clones. Because our data are only 6 clones. So we need to delete here. Each crown is click. Now here we matched all the crowns and here the number of header name. The first name is header name, so we need inputs 1. Here we need to create. Click creates a DVD series to TD. Select here. Just click OK or OK for all. OK. Now we can see all these views are under the Views folder. Select. Take this. You can see the view in the 3D window. Just change the background. Here I need to introduce the this manual plate here, left mouse, you can select. Hand. It's turn around. If you turn around and release, it's turn around and press the control and the left mouse is move. Mouse is zoom in or zoom out. And you can use the middle mouse to the zoom in. Or zoom out. Okay, that's a... Manipulate about the 3D window. Okay, now we need to save the project. Just click the save and select a place to. Save and give a name training, or your name, or your name. Or if your name or your student number is okay here. I just used this training project. Now let's take this here. You can get the file training page. And the training PTD folder. These two is all your project content. And the log, you can delete the log file. Okay. Now the second, we need to import the view deviation. Just right-click File, Vars, and Import here. Here, we need to change the file type. File tab, we need to change to View Path Deviation. View Path Deviation, and select the View Path folder, and Control and A. Choose Select All, and click Open. And here's match file name and view. You need to check if the file name is same as the file views, so it's matched. It's matched better. Just click OK. If some view is not matched, you need to select the correct well. Okay. Just click OK. And here we need to check the number Chrome selection. Here. So the first column is MD here. It's XYZ. And this is 9 is in claim. And 8 is assume. That's okay. So you need to input 198. Just click OK for all. So the view path changed. And steam. So here's the US view path. Now we need to import the view log. Just here, right-click Import. In the File tab, we need to select the Verilogs. So our data are LAS format. You need to select the Verilogs LAS format and open the Verilogs folder and select all. Just click Open. So here is the match files and views. You can match files, views. Use the file name or the last header or file name. You can use the file name, because the file name are the same as the real name. Just OK. Here we need to check. At first, we need to check here. It's important. It's important. We need to check match and specify or create new. At first, we need to select the specifier. Here is some Nook name and some property template recognized and the under is the under part is unmatched. Is unmatched. So we need to match his sonic. Just Sonic. Sorry, that's this Cambridge. Here we must check this WOG. WOG.
Here we must.
Change the proper template to the storage. Because this is discrete attempts of discrete data. And the WG2 is neurologist 2, and WG new is neurologist 2. Okay. So the VSH 2 is for reshale. SW9, SW is water saturation. Water saturation. SW5 is water saturation tool. Water saturation, and SW4 is water saturation tool. All these SW are the water saturation template. And always PP power new. Power new is proceeds. Proceeds. Change the template. Proceeds, proceeds. And yeah, okay. So if you changed all the templates, proper templates, choosing correct templates, you click OK. Don't click OK for all. Just click OK. Here. Now the second well you need to check again. Check again. So the first view imported. So the second view we can't create new, just matched, they exist. Now, you can choose to match exist for Knox here. Then you can click OK for to the first view, you'd better change the correct template. Now we have the imports for the logs here. It's AC and Camry per Mevanage. And process and water saturation in vessel. And neosology. WG water oil gas. Now the next way, we can import the well tops data. And if we want to import the well tops folder of data, we need to insert the new well tops folder at first. And right-click and import and view tops. And we need to figure out view tops. View tops for stratigraphic correlation. Okay. Now we need to check. Check. The first crumb is where. We need to change to where. Second is surface. Second is chrome. We need to change to surface. Third is MD. We need to change to MD. And fourth is tap. The first is tap. We need to change to tap. Tap at the last. Now all the rights are useless. Useless, yeah. Just delete. And here the first name is header name. We need the inputs of 1. Click OK or OK for all. Here you can check the data. The points are the VERTOPS data. And the structure is the structure of the structure of the strata. Select all. So that's a red house. And now we can import seismic data. Here, the blanket error. Just right-click, import, and change the File tab. Seismic data. Change to seismic. Segue. Seismic data. And we need to filter out seismic data. the seismic data here. Just use the default. OK for geometry. OK, now here we can't see anything about the seismic data because our seismic data is different coordinates. We need to delete the 20. Delete the 20. Delete the 20. OK. OK. Now let's change. It's changed here. Here we can activate this orthographic camera. Active this unactive active a different. Here this manipulate you can move the data. Just move the data. And you can use players in the intersection player move and active the inline to move. Okay, that's a data of the seismic data. Just make data. Okay, so now the next we need to import the check show data. Import just views here, right-click. Import. Choose the checkshot format and select checkshot. And here the first column is PVD and second is MD. Activity. Second is TWT. Third is wealth. Well. Okay. Okay, 4. Okay. Okay, check. Check short. Check short. Here. That's okay. Only 1. Okay, I think that's the teacher or the teacher inputs. The teacher inputs.